this is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. So I went to Hobby Lobby today. They had a big sale going on, well, 50% off Paper Studio. So I'm looking around, checking out the sale. And this is a great sale. Everybody needs to run to Hobby Lobby. Look at LOL. I love LOL. All their items. I got the sticker book I needed. So, and then they had these cute stickers here. All of this 50% off. Look at the nurse. So I got a lot of friends in the planner community that works in the hospital. So yes, so that'll be nice. They have those type of stickers, and look at that. I like that sticker too. Yeah, I think it's amazing to have friends that work in the hospital and the healthcare. Amazing job. So here goes some more stickers. I have to find stickers that catch my eye. I like watching NBA, so I was looking for basketball stickers, but they were kind of plain looking. So let's see. I'm looking. Football season's about over with. So then I know they had a sale on the paper where you could get four for $1. Look at these paper pads. I'm looking at these. These are some cute papers. I saw some paper that were like, yeah, for $1 right there for a single sheet. And they had one that was called Purple Paisley, so you know I had to grab a couple of those. So I'll show you my haul later in this video. So I'm still looking. Look at LOL. I had to get that paper craft kit. That was cute. So I grabbed that. 50% off. I don't need no more paper pads. Look, I had to take a lunch break. Lunch after shopping at Hobby Lobby. One of my favorite places, Buffalo Wild Wings. Here goes my haul. And this is showing everything I got at Hobby Lobby. So here it is. So I had a great time shopping at Hobby Lobby. So here's this. And I'm going to show you everything I got. Let me move everything out of the way. And I'm going to put everything here. See all these are some great goodies I got. And pins. I was able to find pen, washi, stamps, paper, kit. Yes, that mermaid pen I really like. Purple. My goodness. There goes the washi. I love the washi. And it has on here, she's got that Lady Boss Hustle. Yes. And has the fortune cookies on there and the LOL girls. If you hear my dogs barking, they're just, yeah. It's raining out there and they want to go outside and So yeah, and then I got the stamps. Yeah, I got little Pomeranians. They're like children, I tell you. It's raining cats and dogs out there. And Pomeranians are like water dogs, so they like to play in the rain. Enjoy life. So I have a vision board. Well, I created a prayer board. So I'm going to put that on my prayer board. One of these stickers is going to go on my prayer book, Enjoy Life. So I got the last two of those stickers. Then I got these here, these stamps. They're so cute. One has the typewriter, You Are So Loved. I had to get that. And then So Fierce. And then the other one, oh, I just fell in love with the other one too. But yeah, I really like this one here with the eyelashes, lipstick. And then this one here, it says, all I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. And then the other one says, rooted in the Lord and follow his plan, but first pray. And then even the hairs of your head are all numbered. And that's Luke 12:7. So I just really like this. It's so cute. So I had to grab that. You know, I had to get those. Then I got the sticker book. So I got this for my friend Krista. She's going to like this. They didn't have any more of these sticker books at her Hobby Lobby. And I have 2 Hobby Lobbies where I'm at. So I grabbed this. So I went ahead and got this one for her, for my friend Krista. She's my bling sister. And I'm trying to find another Starbucks mug, you know, the crystal pretty one. I'm trying to get that for Tanya. So yeah, here goes my mermaid pen. Oh, I love this pen. And it writes so nice and smoothly. And this was on the shelf. I said, oh my God, let me grab this. Just beautiful. Beautiful purple pen. Well, it doesn't write in purple, but it's just a beautiful mermaid pen. I like that. Had to get that. Just nice. Got some yellow to it, shiny, just nice. Then I got this gold pen. I don't know why this gold pen was just $4.99, but it feels like a $30 pen. And it's really heavy, it's not plastic. And I used my coupon. You have to use a coupon, 40% off of this. So I grabbed this pen. It was 2 of these left. And it's a nice writing pen, just nice. It's heavy, so that's nice. Then I got this paper here. Oh my goodness. When I saw this, the Lord God, Jesus, I just had to grab this. I mean, for $4, I grabbed 2 of these. So I got this. I really like this. I'm going to make some dashboards. I'm going to put in my traveler's notebook, my personal planner, my A6 planner. Yeah, this is going to look nice. You could use this paper for everything. And then these papers here, I got out of the kit, the paper craft kit, the LOL paper craft kit. And it was normally $8.99. Let me show you. Here it goes. $8.99. It was 50% off of that. Be a boss, babe. There's those alpha stickers. But it gets all, you get all of this stuff in here in this kit. I mean, you get 10 scrapbook papers, 1 cardstock sticker sheet, 1 cardstock alpha sticker sheet, and 21 die cut shapes and frames. And you get everything on here, just everything. It's just nice. I like this. It's got this sticker on here that says be a boss, babe. Do your and wear your hustle. Good lashes, good mood. You are a whole lot of lovely. And then it has lady bosses and an XOXO and the girls at the top. I just really like this. You see, do a little good every day, just like that. I like this. So I got that. It was just a lot in this kit. And let me show you all the papers. It was like 2 of each. So that's why there was like 10 sheets, because there's 2 of each. Girls just want to have fun. I like that too. And it's got foiling to it. I like that it has that foiling to it. I like that. And then this one too is like a starburst. It has a burst to it. It's hard to see because it's reflected. It's gold foiling. It's really nice. That paper. Then this is an animal print on pink with some gold foiling. And I thought that was nice. That was part of the kit. And then the pink flowers on blue. And this was nice too. I like this. This paper was nice. And with my pineapple planner, I mean, yeah. Here goes the die cuts. You get 21 die cuts in the frame. Isn't this cute? Just adorable. And then here goes the other frame with the die cut. I mean, all of this in this paper craft kit is just nice. All these dolls. I wish they had some women of color in here somewhere in these die cuts. Yeah, it would have been nice if there were some women of color. I guess that's why they probably have it looking plain. None of them have color to it, but what they're wearing, right? So yeah, this is cute. The shoes with the pink flowers. Girls just want to have fun. That die cut. All these women are fierce. Yeah, none of these women have color on them. I guess you could color it in with your Copic pen and give them some color. Look at this. Just adorable. Just adorable. Yeah, I might do that. Color these in. and put it in my planner. Now look at these paper sheets. Now this one's called Bella Pink Scroll. Bella Pink Scroll. Isn't that nice? The next one is Purple Paisley. So these are called Purple Paisley. I had to get 2 of those. This one is Baby Pink Random Hearts. That's just adorable. That's just cute. Yes, I like that. And then this one is Tropical Floral on Mint. And I like this because I love pineapples. My mom's Samoan. She grew up in Hawaii. My dad's from the Virgin Islands. He was born in St. Thomas, grew up in St. Croix. So I just love tropical. I guess it's just that island side of me. But I just love these pineapples and the florals. And then I had to get this. And I'm going to frame this. I'm sorry about the paper. Let me move the plastic out the way. But I just think this is so cute. Look, it's like endless time. Like the clock is it's just timeless, right? Just nice. And all the die cuts that's on here is like glued on there with the flowers. I'm going to frame this and put some pictures there. That's nice. That's nice for scrapbooking. And then this here has the tag with the butterflies and the pink roses and the hearts. And it's got a safety pin right there. I just think that's just too cute. Just too adorable. So yeah, oh, that was my haul right there. Look, these pins. I love these pins. These are some nice pins I got at Hobby Lobby. Nice. And I love collecting pins. And this one right here, this purple mermaid tail, that just caught my eye. Just nice. It feels good in my hands too. It's just nice. And I love purple. Yeah, I had to get that. They had one more mermaid tail, but the tail was teal. It was a teal color. So yeah, here's my washi I got. Tell me how you like your washi. Are they really good? Leave a comment and let me know. But this is my first time getting LOL washi. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up. Follow me, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Have a good day and stay positive, everyone. Bye-bye.